in the film you are matlab, in the film you have a hunger as an actor. In real life also you have done so many films in Bollywood. You have also did a lot of things on TV space, but acting wise I would say in Bollywood you have given your much contribution when it comes to acting on Bollywood screen. Do you personally feel content about your journey in the Bollywood, or you still look for something great, कि अभी ये करना बाकी है, या ये कैरेक्टर मेरे पास आना चाहिए था, या मैं ये डिजर्व करती हूँ?
करना तो बहुत कुछ बाकी है. इनफैक्ट अब जाके मुझे बहुत ज्यादा ऐसे रोल्स मिल रहे हैं जिसमें मुझे एक वैरायटी दिखाने की, दर्शाने का मौका मिल रहा है. So whether it is 14 Pheri, which is just something that I am so excited about because no one's ever going to imagine Gauhar Khan as that.
Okay.
तो yes, वो एक hunger, वो एक चाह, वो एक ख्वाहिश तो है ही दिल में कि मैं सबसे बड़े से बड़े रोल करूं. शायद कभी कोई टाइटल रोल करूं, जिसपे जो completely मुझ पे निर्धारित हो. Of course, I want all of that. I want to dance around the trees. I want to do all of that possible. बट ऐसा नहीं है कि आई फील लाइक अरे ये नहीं हुआ अब तक या वो नहीं हुआ अब तक, बिकॉज एज somebody who's come as a complete outsider in this industry, I'm fortunate and blessed that मुझे इतने सारे opportunities मिले हैं, इतने बड़े बड़े बैनर्स के साथ, इतने अमेजिंग उम्दा डायरेक्टर्स के साथ काम करने के लिए और इतने अच्छे बढ़िया एक्टर्स के साथ काम करने के लिए.
Gauhar, you feel that after Tandav, people's perception towards you as an actor has changed. Do you personally feel that?
Well, I feel that Tandav was one of a great opportunity for me, especially because of the makers, the platform it was coming on, and the fact that Maithili Sharan was such a underplayed character that it actually stood out to a lot of people. Right. She was this subtle, calm person who kind of stood out in the ensemble for me, the kind of feedback I've got. So yes, I feel like people after Tandav has been more commercial value. It has added more commercial value to my career. Yes, but the kind of love I get for Rocket Singh and for Ishq Zadeh and Begum Jaan, I don't compare one film to the other, because as an actor, अगर वो opportunities मुझे नहीं मिलते तो शायद आज ये opportunities मुझे नहीं मिल रहे होते.
Right. Coming back to 14 Pheri is what I know कि you took your Feras. I mean, like, you got married and immediately you rushed for the shooting. So tell me what sort of madness was that? Because अपनी शादी से निकल के एक ऐसी शूट पे जाना है और जहाँ पे इतना सब कुछ करना है.
शादी नहीं, शादी से निकल के नहीं, शादी के अगले दिन I was on set playing a 60-year-old woman with prosthetics on my face, and उसके 3 दिन बाद न्यू ईयर था, तो my husband was kind enough to join me there for the shoot. Right. Because मेरी शादी थी, मैं दुल्हन थी, and in fact मेरी ही शादी की मेहंदी लगी हुई है मेरे हाथों पे उस शूट में. क्योंकि thankfully I don't know how it was so beautifully done for me by Allah that वो जो मेरे शादी के बाद के सीन्स थे वो शादी के ही सीन्स थे. तो I got to wear my own मेहंदी in the shoot in 14 Pheri. But I was a 60-year-old woman with prosthetics and not looking the best, like a dulhan should look after her shadi. But I was not complaining because my husband was right next to me. And on New Year night, imagine my husband, who's already, of course, younger than me, and I'm looking like a 60-year-old. And still we have all the love and we're wishing each other on set. And we were on set when we wished each other New Year's, and it was the best night ever.
But you recently made up for everything which happened. You people went for a very good holiday, and I was seeing the videos and pictures on social media. Yeah. So how was that?
Yeah, finally.
You finally got to spend some time with him.
It was great. In fact, because 14 Pheri happened right after my shadi, I didn't get any time. Then I went into my Amazon show. Then I went into a lot of things. So we didn't get any time at all. But this was good. It was good. I'm grateful.
Okay. Lastly, what are you where can we see you next? What are the lineups, if you could disclose to us, other than 14 Pheri?
Well, I can only say on the 23rd of July, Chaudah Phere is releasing, and I really want to concentrate and make people believe and put their attention only on Chaudah Phere, because this film is worth watching, and I assure you the performances are fab by each and every person in the film. But please, you have to watch out for Gauhar Khan in this film, and I'm going to say this blatantly, openly, because I have never attempted comedy, and something as extreme as this is I'm actually waiting कि लोग क्या कहेंगे. So I'm very excited about Chaudah Phere.